everybody, Tav HD here, and today we are doing an unboxing of the Griffin Elevator laptop stand. So let's get started. I've already cut the seal on the top, so it should be easy to open. So what we're going to do is just look at the box to start with. See, it shows a MacBook Pro on it. That is actually the same model MacBook Pro as I will be using the stand with, so that's quite good. So we are going to open this tab here. And then the box is going to open just like this. And there is the stand. So here is one part of the stand. Let's put that down. And then here is the other part of the stand. We'll put that down. And then inside the box now we have some plastic. And under that plastic we have the instructions. And within this plastic we have the bit that the laptop sits on. So let's put that down. We will move that plastic. Oh, wait, we've got some more bits there. We'll have a look at that in a moment. We can now put this plastic aside, take out the instructions, and then let's move the box. Okay, so looking at the instructions, it appears that this holds the two legs together. I believe it is this way, just like that. Then the other leg will do exactly the same thing. So we will get it here and slide it in just like that. Then these plastic bits here are going to go on the end of here just to stop the computer from falling off. So that will just slide on. There we go, that one's on. That took a lot of pressure then, but it's not too bad. Then we can slide this one on too, just making sure it's level. There we go, it's clipped in, just like that one has. And now we can put the laptop on it. Okay, here's my MacBook Pro. Let's put it on the stand. Yep, that fits on there perfectly. And it raises it up to a nice eye level. There we go. And we can see it has a little bit of flex. That's because of the heavy weight of the laptop. But that's all fine. That now will make it in line with my monitors, just how I need it to be. So as we can see, it's on there just fine now. And I think that's everything you need to see. Thank you for watching and goodbye.